Hello everyone, this is Mubeen Tariq and welcome back to another interesting Adobe Photoshop tutorial. So today, in this Adobe Photoshop tutorial, we are going to edit this image. So let's start. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that post notification button that you never miss any updates from my channel. First of all, open Photoshop and import your image which you want to edit. Select the layer and then press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer. Now zoom in to retouch the skin. So let's retouch the skin. Now press Ctrl Shift E to merge these layers and then press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer. Now press Ctrl Shift A to open Camera Raw. Now click here and make a curves layer. Press Ctrl I, then select the brush tool and paint it over here. Yes, now press Ctrl Shift Alt E to make a merged layer, then press Ctrl Shift A to open camera. Make a mask and press Ctrl I to invert and paint it on the skin. Then press Ctrl Shift Alt E to make a merged layer, and then press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer, then press Ctrl Shift A to open camera. Go to color grading tab and then let's color grade it. Click here to make a new layer, blend this layer to the soft light to the overlay, select the brush tool, select the white color and paint it on the hairs. And the last thing, press Ctrl Shift Alt E to make a merge layer, and then press Ctrl J. Now you have two copies of this layer. Blend this layer to the multiply and blend this layer to the screen. Hide the upper layer, double click here to open layer style panel. Here in blending options, in underlying layers, move the black slider towards the white one and press Alt and split it into two and then move the parts. Double click here. This time move the white slider. Select these both layers and then click here to make a group. Then click here to make a mask around it. Go to image and then press apply image. Select all of these layers, then press Ctrl Shift Alt E to make a merge layer. You can make a group of these layers. Select the eraser tool and erase the extra effect. We want the effect only on the skin. Now you can see this, that it has a dodge and burn effect on the skin. You can decrease the opacity if you want. Yes. So this one is the before image and this one is the after. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, then tell me in the comment section of this video. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And hit that post notification button that you never miss any updates on my channel. Goodbye.